In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and manage your meta ads for business. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to effectively create and monitor ads that can help you achieve your business goals. Let's start with setting up your business account. First, head over to facebook.com/business/ads and log in using your Facebook credentials. If you haven't already done so, you'll need to create a business account. Simply visit business.facebook.com or business/help 9115858705 for guidance on this process. Make sure you have connected your Facebook page and Instagram account to your newly created business account. This integration allows you to manage everything seamlessly within one platform and can significantly enhance your advertising reach. Now that your business account is set up, it's time to create an ad account. Within the Meta Business Suite, you'll want to navigate to Settings and then proceed to Accounts. Here, you'll see an option to click Add and then create a new ad account. Naming your ad account is important, so choose something reflective of your business or campaign. Additionally, set your time zone and preferred currency, then assign this new account to your business. These settings will ensure all your data is consistent and aligns with your location and financial records. Next, let's move on to creating your ad campaign. Within your Ads Manager, click on Create. Choosing a campaign objective is crucial, so consider what you want to achieve with your ads, whether it's driving sales, generating leads, or increasing brand awareness. Make sure you select the desired outcome. Then you'll need to set both a budget and a schedule. Decide how much you're willing to spend and for how long you'd like your campaign to run to align with your advertising strategy. Targeting your ads to reach the right people is key, so define your audience carefully. You can filter by demographics, interests, and behaviors to tailor who sees your ads. When it comes to placements, decide where you want your ads to appear. This could be on Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, or a combination of these platforms. Choose the ad format that best fits your campaign. Whether it's an image, video, or carousel, ensure that your creative content aligns with your campaign's goal. Finally, it's essential to add a strong call to action or CTA. A clear and compelling CTA encourages your audience to take the desired action and ties directly to your campaign's objective. Once your ad content is ready, review it thoroughly to make sure everything looks perfect, then hit publish to launch your ad. But don't just set it and forget it. Return to Ads Manager to keep an eye on your ad's performance. Monitoring analytics will give you insight into how well your ad is doing, and you can make any necessary adjustments to enhance its effectiveness. With these steps, you're all set to start utilizing Meta ads to grow your business. Happy advertising!